this is the atom, this is the solid where anionic vacancy. Anionic vacancy means the Cl minus is vacant here. How it is possible? So first of all, this NaCl is treated by sodium vapor. So sodium vapor, it will give, sodium give one electron and it will convert into cation. Okay, this sodium cation attract the Cl from here and it will form NaCl, right? One Cl is attracted by this sodium. Now here one thing is has to be remembered, that if there is a removal of cation, anion, or addition of cation or anion, one thing should be remain neutral. It means that the atom should be electrically neutral. It means if here one anion is removed, it means this one electron will goes here and it will balance the charge here. So this is charge balancing. Okay, so in this way there is anion vacancy. It means cation numbers are increased 1 2 3 4 5 anion and there are 6 cations. So cation numbers are increased. It means anion vacancy, metal excess is here. Now in another excess cation in interstitial site, it means that another example will take. Okay, so here cation excess. So cation excess, if we add additional Zn2 plus ion in the interstitial site, so here the cation is excess now. Cation is in excess now. Okay, so to balance the charge here, I will make it with different color. It means that here we have added Zn2 plus in additional to increase cation. So we have to add 2 electrons also in interstitial site to balance the charge. Okay, so in this way the metal excess process can be done. Same like this for metal deficiency. Metal deficiency means proton should be less and anion should be more. So here we take example like AB, okay. A for cation and B for anion. Like this. So cation vacancy. So here if we remove a cation from here, okay, if cation is vacant here, so obviously anions are increasing here, so that's why metal deficiency. Okay, but to balance charge, here one positive charge is removed, so we have to increase positive charge on the another cation. In this way they are neutral now. Okay, so this is cation vacancy. Now we will look for excess anion. It means anions numbers are increasing, excess anion. So if there another kind of, here the anion increase, it means that excess additional anion is come into interstitial site here. So now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 B minus are 7 in number and cation is 6 in number. Okay, so their charge ratio is different, so we have to make it same by increasing any one cation here, by increasing charge here. So we increase A1 plus 2, A2 plus. Here first of all A1 plus charge, 1 plus charge, so we have now done it 2 plus charge. In this way they are now electrically balanced. 7A plus charge and 7B minus charge. In this way this solid is now neutral condition. So in this way this defect is done. Now impurity defect, where NaCl solid is present and here addition of impurity. Addition of impurity means in place of sodium here Sr plus is added to this solid. So now this is impurity in this solid. So this is known as impurity defect. So this is all about the point defect and electronic defect. These two defects are in non-ionic solid and these two defects are in ionic solid, and these are about metal excess and metal deficiency, non-stoichiometric defect, and impurity defect is all about this. So that's all for about defect in solid. And if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and keep learning. If you want any kind of notes or any query, so you can follow the page of Instagram Fast Learning Classes. Keep learning. Thank you.